Ready for advanced take verbs? Part 2 is stronger. Let's jump in. Take over, control, take responsibility. Example. She took over this project last week. તેણે પ્રોજેક્ટની જવાબદારી લીધી. Number 2. Take after. Resemble, similar to parents. Example. She takes after her mother. તે તેની મધર જેવી લાગે. Next one. Take in. Understand, accept, include. Example. I could not take in everything. હું બધું સમજી શકી નથી. Next one. Take back. Return, withdraw words. Example. I take back what I say. હું મારા શબ્દો પાછા લઉં છું. Now quick memory trick. Take over, control, take after, similar, take in, understand, adjust, take back, return, with. Now tell me, are you improving? Write in comment. Take master. Save this reel for practice. See you soon tomorrow.